Hi guys, it's Joshua once more, and I'm here to do the breakdown for the stuff I played earlier, and it was done on the key of E major. So okay, a lot of people scare away from the key of E major, but trust me, it's one of those nice keys you want to play in. Okay, let's just go over what I played earlier, and we'll be done here. So that in this. And you could go further. Something like that. Alright, that was real nice. Let's take this stuff off. Okay, set. So, what I did was, I just went to 6, 7, 6, 7. That's what I did. And the next one was 2, 3, 4. As easy as that. So that's the cool stuff. Then I did an arpeggio. So what are you doing actually? You're going like G sharp, C sharp, D sharp, E. But as you're landing on the E, you're landing together with the G sharp there, and also on your left hand you're playing the 6, which is C sharp. With your little finger, you're going to go to the G sharp there, and it leads you to the 7. How you get the idea? So on my left hand for the 7, I'm doing D sharp, B, C sharp. On my right hand, I'm doing F sharp, B, C sharp, F sharp. Okay, and while still on that 7 on my left hand, I'm doing, and I went to B major chord, second inversion, and that takes me to my 4. Let me go slowly again. This is the chord, B major chord, second inversion, to my 4. Don't mind this, my little finger there that is hitting the 6. Actually, the bass line or the progression for this stuff is going to be 4. So that's why I'm saying we're on the 4 right now. So on my left hand right now for the 4, it is C sharp, A, B. On my right hand, I'm doing E, A, B, E. And make sure you roll like this, just to give that effect. That crunching effect. You understand? Don't mind me. So then I did an arpeggio at the end. Okay, and my pedal was down all throughout, but let me just break down the notes for you first. I did C sharp, E, A, B, C sharp, E, A, B, C sharp, E, A, B, just like that. But the last time I did C sharp, E, A, B, then I went back to A, since we are landing on the 4, you understand? Let me show you clearly here. C sharp, E, A, B, A, understand? So now there's a reason why I kept my pedal down, is because I want to keep that rumbling effect going on so that the atmosphere will be charged. Okay, but if you have someone playing strings for you by the background, you want to play it without the pedal. So just make sure you are not, there's no glitch. You don't want to do glitches. As if you have strings by the background, so that the atmosphere will be charged. Okay, so for the next segment, which is 2, 3, 4. Okay, this one I'm doing a similar stuff like what I did. It has similar structure to the previous stuff we did, and I'm going from C sharp, C sharp, F sharp, G sharp, and A. Don't mind me, I'm tired of talking. So, but as you land on the A, you're landing together on the C sharp together with your 2 fingers there on the right hand. So C sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A. Or you learn together with the C sharp for your A. And as you're learning together, you're also learning together with the 2. And the 2 is the F sharp there, F sharp octave on your left hand. So now this takes you to your 3. So there's a slow going on first before we land on the 3, which is which is B, C sharp, and D, C sharp back to B. So okay, so we're learning together with a B on our 3. So the left hand is doing G sharp, E, and F sharp. Okay, I'm kind of getting exhausted right here. You understand? We want to do it real clean and fast. And that's our B chord that takes us to the 4. Remember? Which is the B major chord, second inversion. That is F sharp, E, and D sharp. This, our 4 chord, is just A, E, A. On our right hand, we're doing A, B, and E. That's just an A sus2 chord, right? Remember, crunch it from the top. In fact, you want to add. Just to make it in fact right now it turns to an E sus4 chord, right? So you're just adding an E at the top. And there's also an arpeggio here, which is, remember, your pedal will always be down because you don't have a strings right now. So if you have a string, then so what are the notes? G sharp, A, B, E, G sharp, A, B, E, just like that. Okay? And for the last time, I do like. You know, this note is also a chord tone of this E sus4 chord. So that's why I could land on that. Okay, so I'm like returning back E, back to B. So that's all.